Are you looking for the best beginner mountain bike? In this video we will look at some of the best beginner mountain bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Diamondback Overdrive. If you're looking for a quality mountain bike that's budget friendly, then the Diamondback Overdrive definitely beats out the rest of the competition. Because it's a classic hardtail bike, it has fewer individual mechanical parts compared to full suspension mountain bikes. This means that you spend less time, and not to mention money, on maintenance and repairs. What I love most about this bike is its durable construction. The frame is built with heavy-duty aluminum alloy that prevents rust and corrosion so that it holds up against the toughest weather conditions. Another prominent feature is the rugged Kenda Honey Badger tires that are big and knobby. They provide excellent grip power, especially on rocky and bumpy trails, designed to give you full control over the bike even in the roughest terrains. Whether uphill or downhill, this bike has a 9-speed drivetrain from Shimano with Suntour cranks that allows you to enjoy a smooth ride on a variety of trails. Coupled with an SR suspension fork, it delivers both comfort and stability, so you can go as fast as you can when necessary. The Diamondback Overdrive is hand-built and shipped pre-assembled, eliminating the usual tedious setup process. You're ready to hit the road in just 3 easy steps. Put up the front wheel and seat, attach the pedals, and pump up the tires. At number 2. Schwinn Bonafide. From city roads to wooded trails, you can take the Schwinn Bonafide mountain bike practically anywhere. At the top of its many notable features is the Shimano Easy Fire trigger shifter that changes the game when it comes to gear shifting. It comes with 24 speeds, so you can easily select the right gear for any terrain. What stood out to me immediately about this bike is its color scheme. It comes in a combination of black and red that gives it a sleek and sporty design. It also comes with color-matching end plugs and rims that add to its overall aesthetic quality. The main aspect that adds to this bike's durability is the tires that are wide in size and have a tread pattern that adds excellent traction. The rims are double-walled, designed to stand up against the roughest terrain. Another prominent feature worth mentioning is the front and rear mechanical disc brakes. Having 2 brakes is a critical safety feature for any mountain bike because it gives you the confidence to ride at breakneck speed without having to worry about issues associated with abrupt stopping. Both brakes are easy to engage and control. At number 3. Mongoose Impasse. With affordable mid-range features, the Mongoose Impasse dual suspension mountain bike makes a good entry-level bike for beginners as well as intermediate riders looking for an affordable replacement bike. Constructed with an aluminum alloy frame, this bike provides you with a solid structure that is fairly sturdy. As its name suggests, this bike is equipped with double suspension. It's one of the best parts of the Mongoose Impasse because it absorbs the shock from impact on the ground, giving you better control over the bike, as well as adding comfort for those long hours of riding. The front and rear brakes also deliver adequate stopping power. Not good with tools? Don't worry, this bike comes partially assembled so that even beginners can put it together in less than an hour. The tires may be on the larger side at 35 inches, but they work best for normal off-road tracks and not hardcore trails. At number 4. Schwinn S29 men's mountain bike. When it comes to steep downhill riding, you can expect the Schwinn S29 men's mountain bike to hold its own. Thanks to its full suspension system, this bike balances weight really well and even caters to riders over 6 feet. The frame combines a front suspension fork and rear shock that absorbs shock from the trail. This means that you have more protection from bumps with less stress on your wrists and elbows. Another feature worth mentioning is its eye-catching design. The frame is dark and polished, giving it a classic look, without any flashy or bright colors. Shifting gears with this bike is relatively easy even for beginners because of the SRAM 3.0 trigger. It operates like the auto gear of a car, so that you can navigate through 21 gears depending on your speed. What I love most about this bike is that it solves one of the most common problems encountered by bikers: chain dropping. The Shimano rear derailleurs ensure that the chain stays in place for a smoother riding experience. At number 5. Merricks FT323. One of the most important parts of a bike is the handles. And when it comes to this feature, the Merax FT323 doesn't disappoint. It features high-grade rubber handlebars that provide a good grip for better control and accurate steering. They have a contoured design that supports a good portion of the rider's weight, and so that leaning forward becomes a whole lot easier. Every cyclist will tell you bumpy rides are the worst part of biking. To solve this problem, the Merax FT323 comes with dual suspensions that absorb impact from both the front and rear. With less disruptive bounce, you can ride smoothly through the usual road bumps. Whether it's flat surfaces or angled hills, this bike's 21 rapid-fire shifter and derailleurs are designed to tackle all types of terrain with gears that automatically change when you need them to. As an added bonus, it comes with a free Velcro storage pouch for your water bottle or phone. At number 6. Mongoose 27.5 or 4054 WMC Ledge 2.1. Part of what makes the Mongoose 27.5-inch or 4054 WMC Ledge 2.1 stand out is that it's really fun to ride. The full suspension aluminum eliminates most of the bounce when going through bumpy roads to deliver a smooth and precise ride. It's great for beginners who are new to the sport as well as someone looking for a casual two-wheel ride. This bike has one of the cheapest prices I've seen on the market, but it doesn't sacrifice quality for the price. With a 21-speed shifter and a Shimano rear derailleur, it gives you the basic features that most mountain bikers look for in a bike. It also comes pre-assembled, so you'll be up and riding in less than 30 minutes. This bike may not hold up against the more high-end mountain bikes, but its affordable price and quality build make it a good choice for casual and everyday use. At number 7. Schwinn Traction Mountain Bike. Even if you're new to the mountain bike scene, you will definitely find that the Schwinn Traction mountain bike offers plenty of thrills. Built to last for years, this bike is extremely sturdy and durable because of the aluminum dual suspension frame and tires that are reinforced with high-profile double-wall alloy rims. At first glance, I could already tell that this two-wheeled beast is designed to take a beating. It's impossible to talk about this bike without mentioning its drivetrain. Even the most inexperienced bikers can shift gears with ease because of its 24-speed Shimano Easy Fire trigger that lets you enjoy riding across a variety of different terrains. And then there are the brakes. They may seem simple, but disc brakes really offer better stopping power than caliper brakes. These brakes are also really responsive and almost effortless to engage.